Hong Kong Monetary Museum, and it talks about how the Hong Kong currency, the Hong Kong currency is one of the most traded currencies in the world, and it talks about how they keep it like quite stable, and it has to do with just moving money up and down to keep it in a certain range. And this this strange building behind that's lighting up, the triangle building, there's an observation deck there as well. And I want to do a tour there. I haven't checked it out yet, but I want to check it out first, and then I'll take you there. Hi, Joyce. So there's a really cool observation deck there. It's also been used in movies like I think Batman. You've seen it in Batman, and I'm just going to give you a reverse shot now. This is TST, where we've just been and where we just left. Can you see the clock tower where we were? I think we were so lucky tonight because it was so clear, and a really great night for the light show, although it was a little bit windy. I don't know if that affected the sound. I unplugged my mic because I like to get atmospheric sound, but I don't know if that was better or worse from on your side. Here we have all the... So we're looking at the Central Business District. There's the Four Seasons Hotel over here. Can you see it? There we go. And you can see all these ferry piers down here. And these... what we're looking at is the Central Business District, and all the ferry piers go off to all the different outlying islands in Hong Kong. And so if you live on an outlying island, but you work in the Central Business District, you get to take the ferry every day and then pop off here and go straight to the business district. Oh, okay, thanks, Eliza. I will check out the recording and just see how it went. Now, you can't really see it, but behind here is a mountain. And there's a tram that's also been running, actually the same as this ferry, since 1888, so 136 years. Okay, cool, I'll check it out. And this tram originally was designed for residents who lived on the top of the mountain to get up and down, and now it's a tourist attraction, and it allows you to get up to the top of the mountain. We call it the Peak, and it gives you great views of the city skyline. This skyline that's in front of us and of the area that we were just in, TST. So that's a great thing. And we're actually doing a tour of that soon, this month. So definitely look out for that tour. It has been scheduled, and book that, because that's going to be a really, really amazing tour. Okay, so the ferry's stopping. Let me give you a nice shot of the tallest building in Hong Kong. 13th tallest building in the world. Looks pretty amazing from this angle. Now you can see there's a screen below that, and that's the newest. Well, it looks like a TV screen below that. That's the newest museum in Hong Kong. It's called the M+, the Museum Plus. It's an art museum that plans to rival like the Tate and the Museum of Modern Art, and it's amazing new museum. And then also right next to that in this area, it's actually an art and cultural district, is a place called the Palace Museum, and that holds treasures and artifacts from the Forbidden City in Beijing. So we're really lucky to have a space like that. And the Palace Museum in Beijing is very kindly us a bunch of artifacts dating back, some of them dating back to 5,000 years. So you don't need to go all the way to Beijing or the Forbidden City to see some of those amazing artifacts. You can just come here to Hong Kong and visit them. That's an amazing postcard right there. I love the light. Now we're going to get out the ferry very shortly, and then I'm going to leave and join. And then now we're just gonna walk out. So escalator down. Maybe grab a postcard. Now, before I enter, because of COVID, 852 is Hong Kong's dialing code. So let me. I want to frame up a nice shot for us. So let's see how much. Oh, can the gimbal handle getting that all in? Okay, that's about as good as I can get it from this angle. 197 feet. It's located here at the Central Harbour waterfront, and there are 42 gondolas, including one which is like a VIP gondola that has leather seats. It has a clear bottom floor, and it's pretty awesome. This Hong Kong observation was actually featured in a movie. I've just shared a GIF with you. It's from Mike is Too Close. Thanks, Lucha. Bend down a little bit, otherwise, you're going to hurt yourself. Oh, there we go. Okay, thank you. So, okay, I'm going to switch positions. Amazing views. Down there you can see I'm going to zoom into it quickly, the bridge, the air bridge that connects the pier where we just got off to, there it is down there. Oh, there's some dinosaurs down there. Okay, we should go and see the dinosaurs later. There's lots of, Hong Kong always surprises you. There's always cool things all over the place. Godzilla vs. Kong, and in the background you can see Kong and Godzilla fighting with the observation wheel there. Now, actually, in the film, the observation wheel was smashed. Oh, there you can see the tallest building in Hong Kong. Was smashed into in the film. Yeah, it was smashed into millions of pieces. They just destroyed the central business district pretty well in the film. It has had. I was wondering. Okay. It has been shared. I thought I wasn't sharing the pic with you, but there it is. There's 250 million Hong Kong dollars to install and then to transport here, and the whole to build everything, to transport, install, construction cost 250 million Hong Kong dollars. Now there's down in the business district down there is the world's longest escalator, and it's the world's longest covered escalator. It goes up for about 800 meters to an elevation of about from top to bottom. It goes up 134 meters, and there's lots that was originally built as a solution to help people get to and from work. I want to give you as many cool views as we can. So here you can see the central pier. I'll just zoom in a little bit. That's where I'm sorry, as it was last time. So our image is not so great, but let me see if I can find a clearer shot. Maybe that's a little better. There we can see the central pier where we came from, where we took the ferry from, and then behind that tallest building in Hong Kong.